you? Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about an important aspect of our daily beauty regime, that is scrubbing. We do all the kind of CTM, cleansing, toning, moisturizing, but when it comes to scrubbing, we get so lazy. But in context of the beauty regime, scrubbing is really so important. Every single day we are exposed to so much of pollution outside. Our skin needs a lot of regeneration. So if you think the makeup you apply does not turn out so evenly, the skin does not look flawless, or it does not appear as smooth and fresh, not scrubbing or not scrubbing rightly and regularly could be one of the really important reasons behind that. So today we are going to talk about making a very quick recipe of coffee scrub right here. DIY, do it yourself. There's a whole lot of things right at home that we can use in this coffee scrub powder to make your scrub that can be used on your face or on any part of the body that you want to scrub. So I am particularly fond of olive oil and honey. So they are my top all-time favorites as such. But then you can use anything you feel like. In our house, we have a policy like any kind of fruit or vegetable sometimes, especially tomatoes. If they are supposed to be thrown away, do we throw them off? No, we use them, we just mash them, and I usually use them either on my face or on my hair. Whatever ingredients that we're using in this scrub, they are all extremely skin friendly, highly nourishing, full of nutrients, and absolutely amazing on skin. And especially because they are all natural, zero preservatives, it's all good for you. So we get all natural and we get all the benefit of the nutrients that are so much present in all the fruits and vegetables here. So I've got some mashed banana here right with me. I've got some curd or yogurt, and I have some honey right here. So what we do is we just take, so here's my coffee powder. Okay. So I just brewed my filter coffee, and that's the remaining grains. So I'm going to use these for my scrub today. So it's a little wet. So I'll just add some banana to this. So I just add a little mashed banana. Yeah. And I'm good to go. So it is so very simple. It's so very simple. And I would suggest, please don't use instant coffee for that. No instant coffee, because that's just going to dissolve in whatever you use, and it is not going to give all that kind of benefits as such. So scrubs can be of a variety of things. One of my favorites is coffee. So whenever I brew my coffee, that's the filter coffee by the way that I'm using here. Whenever I brew my coffee, so I never ever throw off the coffee remains there. I always use it as a scrub on my face and my body for that beautiful, amazing instant glow. Coffee is also my favorite because the kind of instant resultant feel that we get out of this is absolutely and totally unmatched. The moment you apply, and you can feel the smoothness and the softness and the glow right there. Just try it once. Trust me friends, you're gonna love this totally. I'm in awe with coffee scrubs, and they are super easy, super simple to make as such. Now the question is, how to scrub? How often to scrub? And how long to scrub? Well, if you are exposed to pollution outside quite a lot, so maybe twice a week. If you mostly stay indoors, once a week would be just okay. Don't overdo that. Overdoing is definitely not going to help you here. In fact, it might harm instead of do any kind of good there. So take scrub of your choice, apply it to your face, leave it to dry for 1 minute or so, and with wet fingers just use round circular motions with a very light hand. No, this is not required. Just do it really softly all over your face and eyes. Don't forget the neck ever. So it has to be round circular movements with an extremely light hand. And scrubbing is amazing. Do it twice a week and you're gonna see instant results in the quality of your skin. Beauty, clear skin speaks for itself. You really don't have to work really hard for that. So just follow a basic cleaning, toning, moisturizing and scrubbing routine and you're good to go. This homemade lovely scrub can be stored in an airtight container in your fridge for around a week's time. So you can make for a week, use it twice, and then probably make another batch of that. So it's super easy to make, extremely easy to use, and the results are awesome. Just try that and do leave your feedback about your experience using this lovely scrub in the comment section below. So friends, if you like my recipe of the super easy and effective coffee scrub, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to press the bell icon and the subscribe button there. So take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next video with some new amazing DIY recipe. Till then, goodbye.